right, you guys, we got some 23-24 Panini Mosaic. Hopefully we get some 6 cards per 6 packs. So hopefully get some prisms, maybe some autographs. Okay. 3 for you, 3 for me. Okay. Purchase Ashwa, Tyus Jones. They're awesome looking cards. Kyle Kuzma, Brandon Ingram. Nice, Steph Curry, epic.
Ooh.
Epic performers. That's sick. I like it a lot. All right, we got Amari Bailey rookie card. Very nice. Anthony Edwards, Zion Williamson. Oh, Luka Donk.
Nice.
Awesome. Zaire Williams. Anthony Black. It's a pretty cool card. And NBA debut, Keontae George. Rookie card. Very nice. Okay. Chet Holmgren, Trey Jones, Alperen Sengun, Chris Livingston, rookie card. That's a cool card. Bucks.
Nice.
And it's in green. Oh, nice. Chet Holmgren. That's a pretty cool card. Jam Masters.
Nice.
Yeah, I like that. Okay, we got Ryan Rupert, rookie card, Portland Trailblazers. Okay, and over to Jaden. Do his set.
Malik Monk, Laurie Markkanen, Jaylen Brown, Bobby Ports. Nice. Got some more front.
Fontecchio, I believe.
Ooh, an NBA debut. Tory Man.
Tumani Kamara. Okay.
Quentin Grimes, Mike Conley, Kevin Durant,
Nice.
Nicholas Claxton.
Yep, Claxton.
Ooh,
Tari Eason. Nice.
and
Aman Thompson.
rookie card.
Very nice.
Last pack here.
Come on, let's get some more good stuff.
Jeremy Shockson.
Socken.
Lonnie Walker.
Shadon Sharp.
Ooh.
Jeremy Grant. Very nice.
Ooh. Epic
Stephen
Steph Curry.
Yeah, epic performers. Again, that's our second one we've gotten of that one.
And last
another
card
dog.
here. City Edition. Luka Doncic.
Very nice. All right, guys, keep following to see what else we come up with. Got more packs to open, so keep following. See ya.
Bye.